Today I'm at the community of Grandura, and I'm actually in Sarasota County in Sarasota, and we're not far from the Stickney Point access going out onto Siesta Key. And I'm joined by Jim Brooks here at Pulte, and I wanted to find out from Jim exactly what's going on in this community, how they actually got to acquire this spot really in the heart of existing neighborhoods, and how they came to be here in Sarasota. So Jim, thanks for joining me today and doing this with us. So can you give us an idea of how this concept came to be, how you actually got the dirt and were able to start this construction, and then we'll delve into a little bit of the community itself.
Yeah, Mark, appreciate you coming out here today. Pulte is very excited about this new development that we have here in the heart of Sarasota. This is a different project for Pulte. We actually acquired this land fully developed. We purchased it from a developer. We got into it about midway through to where we could make sure that we could fit all of our product on this land here. It's a really great community. We're just 28 homes spread out over about 5 acres of land.
You've just gotten started. I see that there's 2 model homes here. You actually have a few that are under contract. What are the sizes of the homes, and what would we expect from a price point?
Our smallest home is going to start right around 1,900 square feet on one level, and we're going to work our way up to about 3,400 to 3,600 square feet on our 2-story product. So the majority of our floor plans, out of the 5, 4 of them are going to be 2-story homes.
From an amenities perspective, tell me what's going to be here. Is it gated? Is there going to be an amenity section? What have we got going there?
So we are going to be a gated neighborhood, but we will not have any lifestyle amenities. So that means we won't have a pool, a clubhouse, a fitness center. We're really prioritizing our location here in Grandura, being that you're within about 5 to 15 minutes of your everyday necessities, those pools, gyms, grocery stores. It's all right around the corner here.
So speaking of grocery stores, you know I'm a big fan of Detweiler's, and there's a Detweiler's right down the road along with a Publix and a Trader Joe's, and we're very close to Siesta Key beaches, and then of course going out onto Longboat Key as well. From a geographic location standpoint, it's a really good area in which to be. Tell me about what the HOA fees are and what they're going to cover.
So $377 per month. Majority of that is going to go towards the upkeep of the gate at the entrance of the neighborhood. We're also going to maintain your front and backyard, so that's lawn care, landscaping, and the irrigation water. And then we're going to maintain all of the common areas as well as the one lake that we have in the community as part of that also.
Are these homes going to have room for a pool?
Yes and no. So we've got some different size lots in here. With most of our 2-story floor plans, specifically the 2 models that we're in, out of the 28 home sites that we have, 27 of those lots can accommodate a pool on these 2 model homes. Some of our other floor plans, we have to discuss potentially doing some custom pools to make a pool fit. Customers or homeowners can also do pools afterwards. If they wish to build a larger pool, they can apply for a variance with the county to make a bigger pool fit.
Okay. And let's talk about, are there CDD fees here?
No, sir. We do not have any CDD fees.
No CDD fees.
No.
All right, so let's move on to pricing. Where do we see these homes falling in a price range, either with or without a pool?
We're going to be falling within the $850,000 to about $1.2 million for middle of the road all the way up to high-end finishes with a pool, without a pool. That range there is going to be our sweet spot.
So if somebody came in today and they said, hey, I want to buy this lot, I want to build this particular home, what are we looking at from start to finish?
It's going to be a quick process. From contract to the day of closing is going to be 5 to 6 months.
Can you tell me what the process would be, how much down, and then balance at closing, that kind of thing?
We are going to require a 20% deposit, and that's taken up front, split up into 3 different payments over about 30 to 35 days of signing your contract. The remainder of the home is going to be due the day of closing. If you're paying cash, put down the rest at closing. If you are financing the house, take over your mortgage at the day of closing.
All right, and I know that a lot of the developments have incentives that, start and stop at different times. Do we have any incentives that are going on now?
We do. We've got some really great incentives. We are doing design credits. And these are all pre-grand opening incentives that we're currently running. $50,000 design credit that can be used towards pools, design upgrades such as floors, cabinets, countertops. And then we're running a couple financing promotions as well. We are doing a 30-year fixed 5.25% rate, and you'll get some money towards closing costs as part of that deal as well.
Got it. Can you tell me what the standard features would be? Is it like standard for hurricane impact? What do we have for standard features?
So we do whole house impact glass. That's going to include all of your windows, sliding glass doors. Front door and garage are also hurricane rated. One thing that's really popular that we like in this community are the concrete tile roofs. These are very durable roofs. They've got a good lifespan of about 25 to 30 years.
Well, I really appreciate all the information that Jim has provided here for us for Grandura. And if you find yourself interested, I'll put a link down in the description below so you can just click on that. And we'd love to set up a time if you want to come out here and tour this neighborhood. It hadn't even really officially opened yet, even though they are starting to do sales. The grand opening is coming at the end of this month.
May 30th.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to get in here first on a great location in Sarasota County, we'd love to have you out. Mark Bamig, Michael Saunders and Company.